Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money on the Bingo Cash game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bingo Cash game on your device, and once you open it up, you will get some rewards for your first login, and you will also see the Play Now button to immediately start your game. Now just tap on the Play Now button in order to start your game, and the simple process is to just win the game in order to get rewards that you can later exchange for real-world money. With each point or coin that you earn, you will later be able to exchange for coins as cash, and you may also gain various other rewards from the lucky wheel. You can also watch ads in order to earn more rewards, and once you have enough coins that you have earned, you can use the cash out button in order to cash out your rewards. However, you will need to have enough balance in order to withdraw. An alternate option to make more money is to invite your friends. Tap on the gift icon at the top left corner and then tap on the invite friends button to get your invite link, which you can share with your friends. And once they tap on this link, they can download the Bingo Cash application, and once they are signed up, you will get 10 points as a reward. You can also tap on the PayPal icon at the top section in order to enter the cash out menu, and you will also be able to find the requirements that you will need to meet in order to cash out your rewards. And there you have it. Those are the ways by which you can earn money and make cash on the Bingo Cash application or game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.